Hey guys, it's me, Lauren with Bold Notion Quilting. I wanted to share with you how I'm going to catalog my 100-day UFO challenge. During the 100 days, I'm going to be sharing with you tips and tricks on how I'm completing the projects that I have on my list. My list has a lot of stuff of getting ready for quilt shows and things like that, so you may see me doing things like making quilt sleeve, prepping quilt labels, blocking my quilt, doing things like that that are going to help me get ready for the show. But I know all these things are going to be of great value to you. I have printed out my 100-day UFO challenge PDF that is below this video if you'd like to download this and start cataloging your projects. And I thought I'd talk with you a little bit about how I'm filling out my list. There's only 16 slots. The goal isn't to finish 100 quilts in 100 days. That is not the goal. The goal is just to make actionable progress on what I have readily available to me. So what I have, how I work my list with my life being so busy and needing to make progress, I may not do something every day for the 100 days, but I usually put things in order from most likely to get completed, what I'm going to finish first, instant gratification, to the things that are going to take me the longest to finish on my list. You'll notice that on my list, I've got all the things I need to get ready for the quilts for the quilt shows, things that I'm missing, and then I've skipped a space and put another one, and then skipped a few spaces and put the last ones that I know are going to take forever for me to finish. So if I get to those, great, but I know that I will get to the first 10 in my list if I need to, and that's going to feel like a huge win. So if you're cataloging your projects, that's definitely something that I would consider. Either put the projects on there if you have to pick and choose, because there's only 16, the ones that'll be the quickest for you to complete so you can knock sheer numbers off your UFO pile, or pick the ones that, if you know this isn't going to be fun for you, that you're going to be able to jump in and be joyful with working on the project, or at least pick one project or start a new project that will keep everything fresh and fun for you in the middle of doing all these other things for your other UFOs, because they're UFOs for a reason, right? You put them away and you haven't looked back. So just consider that when you guys are making your list for the 100-day UFO challenge. I hope that you're going to join us in the Bold Notion Quilting Free Motion Open Studio Facebook group. I know it's a long name, but I changed it from a different one a long time ago. We're all going to be in there sharing our lists, sharing our progress, and just bragging about how wonderful we're doing in our 100-day UFO challenge, or saying, man, I'm having a really hard time continuing to work on the 100 days. Somebody encourage me, please, and we are going to encourage you. So the goal is just to come together, quilt together, encourage one another, and knock some things off these lists. So I'm Lauren with Bold Notion Quilting. I hope to see you guys in our 100-day UFO challenge. Check out the Facebook group, Bold Notion Quilting Free Motion Open Studio, in the link below. I hope to see you there. Bye.